My eldest son actually, riding his ATV, flew off a ravine. And he flew off, and the depth of the ravine was about 25 feet. And we were freaking out, running down, as quick as we can when we saw that happen. Welcome to Soulful Thursday, and today I'll be sharing with you the power of using your voice and sound for healing. Okay, so when I first discovered this, I was blown away by how easy it is and how powerful it is. So it is just using our voice as a way to heal, or and allowing any sound that wants to come through to heal. And what it can do is, first of all, it allows you to move energy that doesn't serve you. It actually calms you down, calms your body down, and that way, that's how you are healing. My family and myself, my children, my husband, we went on a vacation in Southeast Asia, and one of the day we decided to go on an ATV. It was supposed to be a terrain for beginners, but it was really a very tough terrain. And on our way, we went out to the jungle, and on our way back, my eldest son actually, riding his ATV, flew off a ravine. And he flew off, and the depth of the ravine was about 25 feet, I think, about 25 feet. And I still remember, even right now, I can see him, underneath at the ravine, lying down, and we were freaking out, running down, as quick as we can when we saw that happen, and went to him and really quickly, we knew we couldn't move in, but we did our best to make sure he is comfortable while we called for the police to come. And I remember during that moment, we were wanting to make him as comfortable as we could. And my son was just making this sound. He kept going, and I'm really grateful at that time that I knew that was what the body needed to release, right? And allow him to do that. So I kept encouraging him. At the same time, I was also doing some energy healing, but he trusted himself enough and to allow his body to do what the body needs. So he kept releasing that sound. We kept encouraging him while we waited for a long time for the police to come. And he came off with just only a minor shoulder dislocation. He's a very intuitive boy, and I'm grateful that he participated in some of our programs, and he understood some of the healing modalities that I used in my program, and he trusted himself and his body enough to also do what was necessary. And that really, I do believe, assisted in part of his healing. The first thing that I learned about sound was sighing. I remember my husband used to love to sigh, and I get really annoyed by it. I'm like, stop sighing, right? Because to me, my perception of sighing is something is wrong or not okay. However, when I understood what sighing is actually about, nowadays I'm like, oh, if you need to sigh, that's okay. Your body needs that. Your body needs that. Trust your body, right? And so that's what we're going to be doing now, okay? The first thing is to learn how to sigh. And sighing is a way to, like I said, release, some of this energy that maybe feel very uncomfortable in your body, or you feel this sense of heaviness that you're feeling in your body. Through sighing, you can actually release that, okay? Or that discomfort. So that's what we'll be doing now, okay? So let's take a deep breath. And as you take a deep breath, and as you release that breath, I want you to sigh. Okay, so let's do that together. And as you sigh, I want you to release as much as you can. And any parts of your body that you feel a sense of heaviness or tension, your body feels contract or tight, just focus on those areas. And as you release with the sound and the sigh, just seeing everything being released and let go. Okay, so let's do this one more time. Let's take a deep breath. Feeling better? One more time. Okay. So release as much as you can. And as you see, the more you do it, your body feels lighter and less tension. Okay? Now, not necessarily just using sigh. You can actually use any sound that you're comfortable with. Okay? So I'm just going to see what sound comes through, the next one. So I'm going to take a deep breath. So take a deep breath with me. and just see whatever sound comes through. Do not judge that sound. Don't say, oh, that sounds weird, that sounds odd, that doesn't sound right. Just allow that sound to flow through, because your body knows what it needs. Okay? So let's take another deep breath. You can release it in a quick way, strong way, a long process, anything that your body, it feels right to your body. Just trust your body and trust it and follow. Okay, another time. So let's see whatever sound comes through this time. Another time, another deep breath. Okay, one more time. That's it. It's that simple. Just use your voice or use any sound, and that's a simple way to release any tension, any discomfort, anything that you're holding. You might be holding some energy or some emotion. It's a simple way to release them. Okay? So thank you for watching, and I look forward to seeing you on our next video. Please subscribe and please comment. What are you getting from this exercise?